In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your card site. This feature can truly elevate the experience for your visitors. Whether you're a musician eager to share a new track, a podcaster looking to upload an episode, or simply someone wanting to create a unique auditory experience, adding audio is a fantastic way to make your page more engaging. Now let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your card dashboard. Once you're inside, take a look around and find the plus icon. This is what you'll be clicking to add a new element to your site. When you click this icon, a menu will pop up, showcasing a variety of options you can choose from. Go ahead and select the audio option. After selecting audio, you'll notice a field appear where you'll be pasting the URL of your audio file. It's important to note that Card supports links from popular platforms such as SoundCloud, Bandcamp, and Google Drive. So ensure your audio is hosted on one of these platforms. In case you're using Google Drive, double check to make sure that your link is set to public. Keep in mind that private files won't play correctly on your site. Once you've copied your URL, paste it into the designated input field. Afterward, click Done to confirm your action. Don't stress if you happen to make a mistake at this point. The system is flexible, so you can always go back and edit or replace the link if needed. With the audio now added, it's time to hit publish to make these changes live on your site. Now that you've published, it's very important to put yourself in your user's shoes. Visit your site just like any regular visitor would. Play the audio to ensure it runs smoothly and take a moment to see how it fits with the rest of your site. Make sure everything looks and feels just right. And there you have it. You've successfully added audio to your card site. It's a simple addition, but one that has the potential to make your page much more dynamic and interesting to viewers. Turning your page into an immersive experience doesn't require a lot, as you've just seen. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more card tips and tricks. Your engagement helps us create more content like this and reach people who need it. I hope you found this as straightforward and effective as it's intended to be. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.